The Impero Education Pro console is broken down into three key areas. The ribbon bar across the top with various tabs containing functionality relating to devices or users. The window on the left-hand side, which contains the grouping structure for both users and devices. And on the right side, we have the device view itself. The ribbon bar at the top is completely customizable, and you can expose or hide features depending on who the user is. Equally, on the left side, the grouping structure is totally permissions-based. Staff can only see the devices and users that relate to their cohorts or to their class, and they are not able to see their colleagues' devices or the devices of students who are not in their charge. Impero Education Pro's Internet safety functionality has been developed in response to increasing concerns about safety online and the core themes of digital citizenship. With real-time alerts and the ability to monitor activity, schools are able to deter inappropriate behavior and highlight safeguarding incidents as and when they actually occur. Keyword detection identifies keywords, phrases, abbreviations, or acronyms which are typed, used, or viewed anywhere on the network, helping schools to pinpoint potentially vulnerable students engaged in at-risk behavior. Impero's advanced policy system also enables schools to add their own terms or phrases to the keyword library and specify the actions that they wish to apply to those triggers. To add keywords quickly and simply, click on the Group option and select Advanced Policies. Scroll down to your chosen policy, select Add a new term, and type in the written word or phrase that you want to add. You will see a number of options available to you in terms of where and how you want keywords to be captured. In this example, we want to look for this keyword as a written word or phrase, and we want to search Outlook email content, website URLs, and addresses. We have also chosen to detect the keyword rather than automatically block it. You can also provide information on the reason why this term is of concern and then set the severity of the term to minor, moderate, or severe. In the Advanced Options window, we can see that Impero is set to take a screenshot of every capture automatically, but there are a range of other advanced options that can be applied. When a capture occurs, you may choose to send a message to the student alerting them to the capture. When captures are deemed as severe, you may want to record the user's screen for a set amount of time so that you can see the context in which the term was being used. You may also want to email alert a particular member of staff that a capture has taken place, with options to set email alerts by user or device group, by a specific keyword policy, and by severity. In the Impero console, you can see that two of the devices have a red bar across the top. This red bar indicates that a capture has occurred on those devices. Within the computer list view, the devices are also highlighted in red and the number of captures which have occurred on each device is displayed. Looking at this in more detail, we can also see the recent history of each device, helping to establish additional context about the capture that has occurred. The captures are highlighted in chronological order, and we can also see the policy related to the trigger word, phrase, or abbreviation, and the type of trigger that has been detected, such as a written word or a Windows caption, for example. We are also given a description of the term, and we are advised whether a screenshot or video has been taken. Within Impero, you can also look at the captures for a particular group. To do this, click on the Admin tab. Select Log Viewer and click on the group you want to look at. In this example, we're going to look at the captures for the entire network. You can select to see the logs for a specific date and get an overview of the captures that have occurred during this time. As well as viewing the captures that have taken place, we are also able to see the window history for all of those devices, the applications that have been used, and the websites that have been visited. This gives staff crucial information about what happened before and after each capture was triggered, offering them additional context about the incident. After a capture has taken place, staff have the option to add a note on the system detailing the measures that have taken place to address the incident. This feature strengthens the school's ability to ensure a managed approach to internet safety and evidence the policies and procedures required to safeguard students effectively. Impero Education Pro's Internet safety functionality has been developed in collaboration with a range of charities, safeguarding experts, and specialist organizations to ensure that Impero is the first to respond to the changing Internet safety landscape.